We have always thought of data science as being the next frontier of human innovation. It is taught at universities across the country, such as the University of California, Berkeley. Ultimately, of course, it is taught at these universities at a very complex level. I think there is a profound and enduring beauty in simplicity, in clarity, in lucidity. We aim to demystify data science and make it simpler and more accessible to everyone. Data Science Demystified is a clear representation of these goals.
Our online course is the perfect introduction to data science. We cover 8 detailed modules. After introducing what data science is, we go over Python and NumPy and Pandas visualizations. Then we move into the data science lifecycle, machine learning, statistics, and finally, SQL.
We wanted students around the world to be able to easily access our data science curriculum. So we had a dedicated web team create multiple designs and conduct rigorous user testing until we came up with our final design. Our website is formatted keeping the user in mind, making the resources, the curriculum, and the Q&A form as accessible as possible.
When you're ready to begin learning, scroll to the bottom of the screen and click on the button. Here you can access all of the different modules we have available for you and click into a module to begin learning. You can access all the sub-videos for this module on the sidebar. Scroll to the bottom to find common questions that other students had. And in the Resource tab, access the lesson and assignment notebook, submit any questions you have, and access the videos from YouTube.
As UC Berkeley students, we recognize the importance of technology in our everyday lives and how we are the next generation to make these major advancements to our society. We wanted to make these tools of knowledge available to the students of our generation, to allow them to discover their passions and to uncover the fascinating world of data science and technology.
To create it, we brought together a broad range of expertise from curriculum to web development. With what we've been able to achieve together, we see Data Science Demystified as defining an important new direction and, in many ways, a beginning.